Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today we are checking out BookingPress, the best WordPress plugin for smooth and professional appointment bookings. It's a free plugin that lets you create powerful and smooth booking forms with seamless setup, unlimited services, paid bookings, and handy features like Google Calendar, email customization, and so on. The Pro version unlocks even more features such as booking extras, integration with a number of tools, SMS and WhatsApp notifications, additional payment gateways, deposit payments, and so on. We will test out both free and pro version of this plugin in this video and see which option is best fit for your business, whether you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or running a larger operation. So let's jump in and see what BookingPress has in store. This is the plugin official website, and you can see award-winning appointment booking plugin for 3 consecutive years. And as mentioned, this plugin has both free and pro plans. We will discuss this later on. And if I scroll down, this plugin is best fit for these businesses, so if you are running any type of business that needs appointments, you can use this plugin. Now you can see hassle-free appointment booking experience that we will see later on in this video, and it's extremely easy to manage the appointments in the dashboard, and you can match your brand by customizing the form, the colors, the fonts, and this will display a calendar view for better scheduling. And you can see automatic notification reminders via email, WhatsApp and SMS. Then team management to assign a specific employee and your staff members. Smooth two-way sync with booking calendars like Apple, Google and Microsoft. And you can create service packages, and you can even add service extras. And you can see the full insight in your dashboard where you can track your appointments, payments and all. Some additional features are here, you can see. And if you're wondering what payment types are accepted, so you can see these. This plugin has premium add-ons for free, you can see, and more add-ons are here. Now you can see add-ons at no extra costs. Now these are almost 60 plus add-ons available for this plugin. Obviously I can't cover all in this video, but you can try out and you can use the one that you need. I'll try a few of them just to show you, okay? Now let's have a look at the demo of this plugin, then we will see how we can install this plugin and how we can create a booking form. And there are a couple of demos available like salon, yoga, educator, medical, dental and so on. So let's open up the first one. This is the form and these are the services. Okay, so let's scroll down and we can create this type of booking forms in our WordPress easily. So this is the first page. Here you can see the services. Now if you have multiple services, you can even categorize them and then you can add a filter here. Now we are looking at haircut, hair color, beard style and hair care. Let's go to all and let's choose any of these. Let's say this one. Now as soon as I click this will offer me some extra options like hair wash, after hair wash and face wash. So you can even add extras to your service. Let's choose any of these. Then I'll go to next step. Then we have staff members, so you can select any of these staff members. And a booking calendar, obviously we can't select the previous dates and also the days which are off. You can do all these settings in the dashboard easily. Let's choose this date. We have some time slots like morning, afternoon and evening. So let's choose morning. This will open up the cart page. We have the service details and the price. We can even edit this if needed. Then next to the basic details, where we can fill up the info like first name, last name, email, phone number, gender and notes. And then we can just go to next, where it will show us the summary of the order. So the summary, customer name, the service selected. We can redeem a package here. We can have coupon codes. And we can select a payment method, so we can either select these PayPal or Stripe, and we can either pay locally. PayPal and Stripe are available in the free version of this plugin, okay? Let's choose this option and book. And that's it. Now let's see how we can install and use this plugin. First we will try the free version. Now to download the plugin, just go to this link in the description. And here just click download free version. And this will download the BookingPress latest version for you. You can just upload this to your WordPress. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. And here we will go to plugins, add plugin, upload a plugin and choose file. We will select the BookingPress plugin, open and install now. and let's activate it. Once you activate the plugin, you will see a new tab here, BookingPress. Just go there, which will welcome you with this wizard. This is the starting wizard where you can fill up these info like your company name, address, time format, date format, choose your country, phone number, website URL, and you can even add a company logo. So let me quickly fill up these info and scroll down and click next. And in the next step, we can set up our booking options where we can set our working hours. You can select any starting time and also the end time for all these days, okay? You can even turn off a day by clicking off. If you don't want, you can just select any time for that. It's up to you, okay? Then you can switch your currency here. So I'll choose Euro and click next. And then you can add a service right here just to list it. So you can type in the service name, the price for the service, the duration and minutes or hours. And you can even add extra description so that the visitor know more about the service. Let me just type in service 1. I'll change these later on, okay? The price will be 50 for now. The 30-minute duration is fine. And I'll say next. And then styling. So if you want to change the fonts and colors, you can do it right here. So just go here and select your desired fonts. And to change a color, just click here and choose any of these colors. I'll keep it as it is for now, and let's click finish. Congratulations, everything is ready to accept your online booking now. So how simple this was, we just set up our first booking form. Now to check the form that we just created, just copy this shortcode, open it in a new tab, and we got our form. So for now we don't have any service category, but we have the service here, so we will click on it. We can select dates and times for it. Then first name, last name, email, just like the demo form I showed you, okay? So in this way you can set up your first appointment booking. Now let's go back. Now you can also show your bookings on front end if you want to. That may not be an usual case, but just copy this shortcode and just open it in a new tab. So on this page you can find all the bookings, okay? So if you want a dedicated page for the bookings, you can use that shortcode. Let's close this. Then in some cases you might want to display this form in a page builder like Elementor, Breezy, Gutenberg, or in any other page builder. You can use these shortcodes. Let's say I want to display this form in Elementor, so I'll just copy this code. I'll go to pages in the dashboard, and you can see the plugin has already created some pages for us, okay? Let's edit the home page with Elementor. And I have this place for displaying the booking form, so I can either use the shortcode. We'll use it here and we'll paste that shortcode. Okay, and we will see our form here if I publish it. So in this way you can use the shortcode to display a form inside a page builder, okay? And it also has an element for Elementor, so if I search for BookingPress, you can see it over here. So I'll just drag it and you will choose a service which we have created, and it will display that same form here. We will remove this one. Okay, similar form. Now let's go back to the plugin dashboard and see what else we have. So I'll go to BookingPress. First we have the dashboard where we can track our appointments, approved appointments, pending, revenue, customers. Then we have calendar. Now first you can see a calendar view that you can set up by weeks or days. And one more thing is, as an admin you can add appointments right here. So you don't have to fill up the form on the front end. You can easily add appointments from here, okay? By just selecting a customer, service, appointment date, time, and status, and internal notes. So this is also a good feature in this plugin that you can add appointments from the dashboard easily. Let's cancel. Then we have appointments. So if you have any appointments, you will see them over here. Same goes for the payments, customers, and under services, you can add multiple services categories, and so on. Now all these things are available in the free version. We will also see some additional options in the pro version later on. Under notifications, you can customize the emails that are going to the customers and also to the admin. Now we are under improvable notification, so you can see this is the email subject and this is the content. Dear customer, you have successfully scheduled appointment. If you want to change this text, just put your own text here, and you can also use these HTML tags here, okay? If you want to add any data from the booking form itself, you can use these shortcodes. And also you can customize the admin email in the same way. Then under customize, you can customize the forms or the fields. As we have seen earlier, we can customize the fonts, the colors, and this is the form settings. You can see the form flow and services tips, booking redirection after success and after failure. You can even customize the customer funnel. Then we have some settings available. So we have some general settings where we can set up the default service duration, also the default time slot, and show time is for service duration. You can turn this on or off. Then we have some time slots like for the afternoon, evening, night. You can set up the timing for these as well. And then the default appointment status will be approved. If you don't want, you can switch this to pending. And appointment status paired with on-site payment, this will be pending. So we can charge a fee on location and tell that the appointment will be pending. The default phone country code, and all these are very simple. You can just customize these things. Then under company, you can change your company logo, name, address, and so on. Then notifications. So WordPress default notifications are you can use PHP mail, SMTP, or Google Mail. Make sure to use your domain email here. I'll change these later on. And you can even test the email notification here. Then you can change your working hours. As I showed you, the holidays. If you want to add any holiday in the future. Payments, where you can manage your currency, the currency symbol, position, separator, decimal points. For the payment, we have on-site payment and PayPal. These are available in the free version. We also have Stripe in the free version, okay? Then messages. So you can customize these messages based on your need. And then debug log if you have any issues. And you can import and export these settings. Now all these options are available in the free version, and you can see the amount of customization available, using which you can create search forms for multiple services, and you can even categorize your services here. Now this is more than enough for small businesses or for businesses who needs a simple booking form. But on this particular website, I need some extra options like the product extras. I also want to translate this plugin. I will add custom buffer zones and want to have some deposit payments and so on, for which I need the pro version of this plugin. So let's explore the pro version as well and see what we have there. Again, the plugin link is given in the video description. By the way, that is my affiliate link. Just go there and click on buy now. This will take you to the plugin pricing, and this is the free plan that we just tested. Then we have standard, professional, and enterprise plans. Now all these share some common features like the payment gateways, 45 plus add-ons, and some extra options in these two plans. Now to better understand these, you can visit the feature list and also the comparison with other plugins, and then you can choose a plan that suits you. So just select any plan and then click on buy now and then pay for this plugin. I have this standard plan already. Let me install it and show you what we have there. So let's go to my account here, and you can see I have this standard plan. First thing is I'll download this plugin and then we will add some add-ons to it. Okay, so let's download the pro version here. It will also be a zip file like this, okay, that you can just upload to the plugins. So let's head over to the WordPress dashboard again. And so far this was the free version. We will go to plugins, add plugin, upload, and choose file. I'll select the pro version here, open it and install now. And let's activate it as well. So now we have both free and pro versions. The first thing is we will need to activate the plugin license. For that, just go to the plugin and click license. You can see the license is not active. So let's click here. And for the license package, I'll select standard. We'll put my license key here and activate license. Let me get my key. I'll just copy this key. I'll paste it here and activate license. License activated successfully. And under my account, if I go to manage sites, you can see my license is active on this domain. And that's it. This is how you can install the pro version. Now let's go back to the general settings. Now you will find some additional options like shared capacity between the time slots and default, and some other options like complete payments, enable debug mode, booking slots, this loader, schedule report, and some statistic reports. Now to add more extras, we have add-ons available through which we can add extra functionalities. So if I go to services, we have this service 1. If I edit it, for the services we have this name, category, price, then some additional options like the buffer time before, buffer time after, the maximum capacity, and start and expiry date. We can even add extra options to these services by adding the service add-ons, for which you can go to add-ons and you can see these add-ons. Like if you need stop members, you can activate this one. This is for the service extras, coupon management, multiple quantity, and deposit payments. For now I need the deposit payments, so I'll activate it, and I also need the extras. So both of these are now active, and in the future if I need stop member, I can activate it anytime. Let's go back to services. We'll edit the first one, and if I scroll down, here you can see extra services. Let's try adding some extra options. So first we need to put the extra title, let's say food, and let's give the same duration, 30 minutes. We will add a price to it, and we can select minimum and maximum quantity, some description as well. Then let's add it. That's it. Let's add a new one. We will call it drinks, and also add a price to it, and done. So in this way you can add extra options to your services and then just save it. And let's test it. This is our previous form. I'll just refresh. Now as this service is selected, so you can see the extra options, food and drinks. Continue. And the remaining steps are almost similar. Now let's see how to set up the payment. So we'll go to the plugin settings, payments. Again we have those free options, and we also have enabled deposit payments, so you can select that option over here. Then you can also allow refund if you want to, just enable this option. You can select either full refund or partial. Then payment method is on-site and PayPal, you can enable it, and then you can put your PayPal API keys, which will let you collect payments via PayPal. And if you want additional payment methods, you can use the add-ons. These are the featured add-ons. If you want any of these, you can just get them, okay? Like multi-service, multi-stop add-ons, service package add-ons, and all these. And for the payment methods, the most popular option here is WooCommerce, obviously. And if you want to use the plugin payments, you can use any of these add-ons. Now for this website, I'll need this one. So I can just click on Get and download add-ons. And we have lots of add-ons available here that I can use based on my need. You can see SMS notification, WhatsApp notifications, so if you need them, just download it and add it to your plugins, okay? Where is that payment? I think on the last page. Yes, this one, so I'll just download it. By the way, I also want to translate the plugin, so for that I'll use the translate add-on, okay? So, okay, multi-language add-on, so I'll just download this as well. And let me show you how you can add these add-ons. So just go to the dashboard, then go to plugins, add plugin, upload, choose file, select the add-on that you downloaded, open, install now. Then again add plugin, upload, choose file, select the second one, install now. Now go to install plugins, select both of the plugins and choose activate. Now I can use those add-ons. Just to show you quickly, if I go to BookingPress services, edit, and you can see the translate option here, okay? This is due to that add-on. So in this way you can download an add-on and then install it and use it. Now if I go to settings and customize forms, I can now change the look of this form from left to top. This is how it will look, okay? If I save it, let's check again. Now we have the options on the top, okay? So I can select a service along with extras, continue. This will change the tab here. I can select a date, a time slot. Then I can fill up my info, enter a note, next. And this is my order summary, okay? So this was BookingPress WordPress plugin that lets you create seamless booking form and is fully customizable and having lots of add-ons that you can add based on your need. I tried my best to cover everything and I recorded this video twice. So I hope you will find this video helpful. Again, the plugin link will be given in the video description. Just go there and download the free and pro versions. And for more such videos, you can follow my channel. Still, if you have any question related to this video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.